Hey everyone! Welcome to Design Lessons. Today, we're diving into how to use Flux 2. First, select a few photos you want to use as references. Then, enter the effect you want to achieve. Next, choose the Flux 2 model, select your desired size, and click Generate. Wait a few minutes, and you'll get the image effect you want. Now you've learned how to use the Flux 2 feature. Go ahead and start creating. Don't forget to click the design icon to follow our channel. See you next time!